What should you eat if you come down with coronavirus? We've been answering a lot of questions surrounding food and the new coronavirus. What's safe? What isn't? How should you be handling your groceries? One question that may be on people's minds as they're hunkering down is, what should you eat if you come down with COVID-19? Just to be clear, there is no magic diet that will help. We have some information about foods and drinks that may reduce flu and cold symptoms or duration, but we don't know specifically about COVID-19. Here's some general guidance to help you feed yourself or a loved one who gets sick, including what to eat and drink, what to limit, and how to prepare in advance. Everything we know so far about this virus indicates that symptoms vary greatly from person to person. The most common symptoms, per the CDC, include fever, dry cough and shortness of breath. But some people may experience muscle pain, fatigue, headaches, sore throat and GI symptoms, like diarrhea. Just like with the flu, you may not be feeling as hungry. Your diet is going to look different from someone else's who has COVID-19. It's important that you stay home if you're not feeling well. Call your doctor and see about getting any food or groceries delivered with no contact via friends or a delivery service. Hydration is super important. Drinking water is important if you get sick, especially if you have a fever, which may cause you to sweat out water, or if you have diarrhea. Try to drink plenty of fluids. These are all good options: water, tea with honey, broth, juice, seltzer, electrolyte drinks. Tea with honey is comforting and the honey also may help calm a cough. You probably don't need special electrolyte drinks, but if you're having trouble eating or experiencing diarrhea or vomiting, they may be helpful. Coconut water, maple water, sports drinks and Pedialyte all fit into that category. Juice can also help you get some nutrients, and may make it easier to hydrate since it's tasty. If you're not feeling well, it's important to stay hydrated and rest as much as you can. Drink enough water every day. 1. Water is essential for life. It transports nutrients and compounds in blood, regulates your body temperature, gets rid of waste, and lubricates and cushions joints. 2. Drink 8 to 10 cups of water every day. 3. Water is the best choice, but you can also consume other drinks, fruits and vegetables that contain water, for example lemon juice diluted in water and unsweetened tea and coffee. But be careful not to consume too much caffeine, and avoid sweetened fruit juices, syrups, fruit juice concentrates, fizzy and still drinks as they all contain sugar. Is there anything you can prepare in advance? You may want to have foods and some over-the-counter medicine on hand to help you in case you start feeling sick. Soup freezes really well. Buy some shelf-stable or freezer foods like crackers, bread and frozen fruit. It's hard to predict what you'll want to have because everyone is impacted differently by this virus. The best thing you can do to prevent getting sick is continue to follow guidance from the CDC and your local public health department, including staying home, wearing a cloth mask if you need to go out, washing your hands frequently and cleaning and disinfecting surfaces around your house. Eat fresh and unprocessed foods every day. 1. Eat fruits, vegetables, legumes e.g. lentils, beans, nuts and whole grains e.g. unprocessed maize, millet, oats, wheat, brown rice or starchy tubers or roots such as potato, yam, taro or cassava, and foods from animal sources e.g. meat, fish, eggs and milk. 2. Daily, eat 2 cups of fruit, 4 servings, 2.5 cups of vegetables, 5 servings, 180 grams of grains, 3. And 160 grams of meat and beans. Red meat can be eaten 1-2 times per week, and poultry 2-3 times per week. 4. For snacks, choose raw vegetables and fresh fruit rather than foods that are high in sugar, fat or salt. 5. Do not overcook vegetables and fruit as this can lead to the loss of important vitamins. 6. When using canned or dried vegetables and fruit, choose varieties without added salt or sugar. Nutrition matters, but calories matter too. You may have heard the saying, starve a fever, feed a cold, but there isn't research to back that up. Your body needs calories for energy to help fight an infection. There really isn't any one food that seems to help with flu-like symptoms. There are certain nutrients, including protein, vitamins A, C, D and E and zinc, that help support your immune system. Trying to get calories in however you can and eating foods that help you feel good is probably going to be more important than worrying about getting enough zinc or vitamin A. The biggest risk of contracting the virus from food would be if you touch food that's been exposed and then touch your face. In that sense, it is best to wash your hands before and after handling food and washing unpeeled fruits and vegetables before you eat them. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more, subscribe to the channel.